Sweden is a Scandinavian country with thousands of coastal islands and inland lakes, along with vast boreal forests and glaciated mountains. Its principal city, eastern capital Stockholm, and southwestern Gothenburg and Malmö are all coastal. Stockholm is built on 14 islands. It has more than 50 bridges, as well as the medieval Old Town, Gamla Stan royal palaces, and museums such as Open Air Skansen. This Scandinavian country has so many green space thanks to the Sweden being one of the largest countries in the European Union. With a small population of about 10 million residents, Sweden offers vast population density, extensive forest coverage, over 90,000 lakes, and over 3,000 kilometers of sea coastline. Sweden performs favorably in several measures of well-being, as indicated by the fact that it ranks above most countries in the Better Life Index. And here are the top places to visit in Sweden. Number 1. Stockholm. Stockholm, the capital of Sweden, encompasses 14 islands and more than 50 bridges on an extensive Baltic Sea archipelago. The cobblestone streets and ochre-colored buildings of Glamastan, the Old Town, are home to the 13th century cathedral. The Kunglinga of the Nobel Prize ferries and sightseeing boats shuttle passengers between the islands. Stockholm is a city of contrast. Trends in mosaic design, fashion, and technology are born here, and innovations that spread worldwide are invented here. Stockholm has a rich industry comprising exciting architecture, museums, the Royal Palace, and the medieval urban core of Glamastan. Stockholm is Sweden's leading industrial area. Its major industries include metal and manufacturing, paper and printing, foodstuffs, and chemicals. It is also the country's chief wholesale and retail center and serves as the headquarters of many banks and insurance companies. Stockholm is a tolerant and worldly city and is welcoming to all kinds of people and cultures. The Scandinavian shyness is likely the biggest hurdle that an expat will have to deal with. Number 2. Gothenburg. Gothenburg, a major city in Sweden, is situated off the Gotha river of the country's west coast. An important seaport, it's known for its Dutch-style canals and leafy boulevards like the Avenue, the city's main thoroughfare lined with many cafes and shops. Lisburg is a popular amusement park and theme rides, performance avenues, and a landscape sculpture garden. Gothenburg was founded in 1621 by King Gaston II Adolf and established itself as an important commercial fishing hub. Though the city has modernized over the countries to focus on the other industries, its birthplace of Volvo cars, for example, its proud fishing heritage remains. If it isn't already evident, Gothenburg has really a lot going for it. The city has no shortage of historical sites, impressive views, exciting and affordable attractions, and quality cafes and restaurants. With a population just over 5 lakh, the city is quite small. Number 3. Kiruna. Kiruna is a town in the far north of Sweden, Lapland. It's known for its huge iron ore mine and its underground visitors center with an exhibit on mining. The 19th century former home of the first managing director is now a museum with a courtyard photography exhibit. Kiruna Church is notable for its bell tower and resemblance to the traditional horse of the indigenous Sami people. Kiruna houses the largest underground mine in the world and is also known for the satellite space projects, the Long Reiters. Its modern town planning, its beautiful church and the town hall, the ice hotel, and the easy access to the wilderness and adventure of northern Lapland. Kiruna is a great base to hunt for the Northern Lights because of its located north of the Arctic Circle. From Kiruna, you can search for the magical Northern Lights during an exciting guided tour. You could even hunt for them while snowmobiling, snowshoeing, or dog sledging. Number 4. Gotland. Gotland is a large Swedish island and province in the Baltic Sea. The biggest town, Visby, is distinguished by its cobblestone streets and well-preserved medieval city wall. Visby is also home to the grand centuries-old St. Mary's Cathedral. Ruined medieval churches around town include St. Nicol and St. Karin. Nearby Gotland's museum traces the island's natural and cultural history with art and artifacts. Gotland, Sweden is a paradise island with characterful wilderness and a coastline punctuated with sandy beaches and sculptural sea stacks. Historically significant, its main town, Visby, is Viking-era wonder and UNESCO World Heritage Site. Gotland's coastline is Counting Faroe, stretches across 800 kilometers. It is a place that could just be a summer paradise as a place for cozy autumn walks in an exciting nature. Gotland has something for everyone, and it doesn't matter if you want speed, excitement, or tranquility. Gotland is simply a place not to only live, it is a place where you can have space to live fully. Number 5. Visby. Visby is a town on the Swedish island on Gotland in the Baltic Sea. It's known for its well-deserved town wall, a medieval fortification, incorporated defensive towers. The town's many churches include the grand centuries-old St. Mary's Cathedral and the medieval ruins of St. Nicol and St. Karin. The main square Stora Target has cobblestone streets lined with cafes and restaurants. The Hanseatic city of Visby is arguably the best preserved medieval city in Scandinavia, and since 1995 it has been at the World UNESCO Heritage Site list. Among the most notable historical remains are the 31 kilometers long town wall that encircles the town center and the number 1 church ruins.